sir. First of all, thank you to giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ishika Tyagi. I have complete intermediate in UP Board, SCRKK Inter College in Dwight District, Ghaziabad. I am basically from Shahpur. I am belong to nuclear family. My hobby is playing martial art. I have 2 month training in DDU GKY Center as a computer training and a English speaking and CCE, Customer Care Executive. My strength, I am self-motivated, hard-working and a disciplined girl. My short-term goal is to get a job in reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career as well as organization. After that, my family background. My father name Mr. Ravindra Tyagi, he is a farmer. My mother name Mrs. Manju Tyagi, she is a housewife. We are siblings. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I will provide out 3 sentences. Can you read it?
Yes, sir. First question, explain introduction. Second question, describe the importance of introduction. Yes, it is a way knowing the other person. It is a way make friends out of strangers. If I don't introduce myself, no one will know me in a group. And my third question, develop the confidence and skill to introduction myself appropriately and frequently. Thank you.
Good afternoon to my respected sir and to everyone. Myself Isha Tyagi. I basically belong to a small village Shahapur near Mota. And as per as my qualification background, I have completed my 12th standard and nowadays I am joining the DDU GKY classes. My strength is that I am self-defense and straightforward. My hobbies are playing outside games. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and so on. A short-term goal is that I want to participate in political activities which are happening around us. And now my long-term goal is that I want to become a lawyer or an advocate. Now, my family background is that I belong to a joint family and there are about 22 or 23 members in my family including me. I have 2 cousins including me and my elder brother. My father's name is Mr. Sanjeev Tyagi, he is a serviceman. My mother's name is Mrs. Rajni Tyagi and she is a housewife. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Okay. I will provide one topic. Can you read it? I will provide one topic. Can you read it?
Yes, sir. Describe the importance of introduction. So, yes, it is a way knowing the other person. It is a way make friends out of strangers. If I don't introduce myself, no one will know me in a group. Thank you, sir.
Start. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today I am now discussing a first chapter, introduction. What is the means of introduction? Okay, introduction will be divided into 2 parts. First one is formal introduction and second one is informal introduction. So formal introduction, where you can use a formal introduction when you are going to anywhere, just like a company, just like the government sector. When you are going to join a company, first of all you can give your introduction. Regarding a formal introduction, an informal introduction, we can use your relationship, your father, your mother, your sister, your brother, like this. Okay? Do you not understand to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you know? First of all, I have introduced yourself. My name is Divyanshu Singh. I am a BTech software engineer as a trainer for a CCE. I have a 3-year experience in a DDU GKY from a Mascot University of Technology and Dalins, and in this time I have working from HP Builders, and my hobby is to teaching a student within a proper way. Okay, that's all about. Thank you. According to you can use my more model. Okay, you can use a more model play. Then you are taking my introduction. How can you speak? you can just like one example regarding myself. Okay, when I have used one example to regarding myself, you can take my introduction, then you can introduce yourself one by one. I am asking an average student one by one, introduce yourself without any hesitation. Do you know understand what is the means of introduction?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, how can you define introduction?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know understand what is the formal introduction?
Yes, sir.
Do you know understand what is the informal introduction?
Yes, sir.
So I will also explain in my formal introduction. So you will be one by one completely information, and you will be one stand properly and introduce yourself. Okay?
मेरा नाम रिहान है। मैं हापुड़ से हूँ। अभी मैंने हाई स्कूल कंप्लीट किया यूपी बोर्ड से और मैं अपनी 11th स्टैंडर्ड की प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ। और फिलहाल में मैं DDU-GKY में हूँ। इंग्लिश स्पोकन और कंप्यूटर का कोर्स कर रहा हूँ मैं।
Atul, tell me about yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone, and respected sir. I would like thanks to Mr. Divyanshu who has given me a golden chance to introduce myself. My name is Atul Tomar. I from Hapur, but now I am staying in Dwai Ghaziabad. I have done PG from SSB College, and my hobby playing cricket and running, and my stand is self-motivate. Thank you.
Atul, tell me about yourself.
Good afternoon, respected sir, and my dear all friends. I would like thanks to Mr. Divyanshu who has given me a golden chance to introduce myself. Now I am going to tell you about myself. My name is Atul Tomar. I am from Hapur, but now I stay in Dwai. Yes, it is a way knowledge the other person. It is a way make friends other of stranger. I don't introduce myself. No one will know me in a group. Yes, it is a way knowing the other person. It is a way make friend out of stranger. I don't introduce myself. No one will know me in a group. Yes.
Describe the importance to introduction. Yes, it is a way knowing the other person. It is a way make friend out of strange. If I don't introduction myself, no one will know me a good group.
Very good. Isha, stand up. Tell me about yourself.
Good afternoon to my respected sir and to everyone. Myself Isha Tyagi. I basically belong to a small village, Shahapur, near Mota. And as per as my qualification education, I have completed my 12th standard and nowadays I am joining the DDU classes. And my father's name is
Today I am discussing about. Tell me about yourself.
First of all, good afternoon, respected sir and all dear students. I would like to giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nutan. I am basically from Bihar, but currently staying Basantpur Tehsil. I have completed intermediate from UP Board, Punyananjali Inter College. My strength, I am self-motivated, hard-working with smart working, and a disciplined girl. My short-term goal is to get a job in reputed company, and my long-term goal is where I can my good career as well as organization too. My hobby make a painting. Thank you, sir.